Find out what these ingredients have in common? Let's find out. First, you want to rinse your strawberries. It looks like mine's occupied, but I'll just make some room for it. I like to use the bottom rack for maximum cleaning. After about 5 minutes, you should have this. Next, we're going to remove our berries from the straw. I like to use homegrown strawberries, so I'm going to save the seeds. If you wait till after they are eaten, it's much harder to sift through the digested corn kernels and debris. For an easier wrapping process, you want to make sure your cookie dough is at room temperature. If it's not, just stare at it for a few hours. When you're wrapping your strawberries, be careful not to add too much cookie or too much dough. My berries are experts, so I just set it on the side and let them do it themselves. After they're wrapped, we're going to go and chill with Phil. Next, we're going to go ahead and melt our chocolate. I like to use dark chocolate for this. I'm going to use the flashlight method. Well, actually this is out, so we're going to use the candle method for this instead. If your flashlight is out of batteries too, don't worry. The candle method is just as effective for melting the chocolate chips. Go ahead and apply heat. After about 15 minutes, you should have something lit. Ow! It should look something like this. Next, you want to go ahead and prepare the Oreos. I like to use an ice cold glass of milk. Hot milk is... Oh wait, no, that's the wrong recipe. We're actually just going to crush the Oreos for this one. Just to get the Oreos ready for crushing, roll them out. Should end up with something like that. I heard Phil's a bad influence, so I only let my berries stay with him for about 10 minutes. Next, you want to go ahead and coat your strawberries in chocolate. If you're allergic to chocolate, you can just skip this step. Crust them. Dust them. The finishing touch. Chill with Phil? Done. I call it a blueberry topped, coconut dusted, Oreo crusted, chocolate covered, cookie dough wrapped strawberry.